Welcome back. This is an unboxing of the Modecom all-in-one card reader, hot swappable, high speed 480 megabit per second, pocket size and light and easy USB 2.0. And it has also three passive USB hubs. Let's open this up and see what we got inside. We get an USB cable to mini USB. Hope you can actually see that. Yeah. Okay. And this is the whole box actually. And let's take this plastic off. Very nice, shiny and black. We have the three USB ports, the mini USB to connect it to the computer, and also I don't have a manual for a very strange reason, but it says also it doesn't say also. It has this little hole, which I don't actually know what it is right now, but I suppose it's for an external power. Focus. Yeah, well, it's totally black, so you can't actually see it very good. And it has some support for SD, MC, and all the other major standard memory card on the market. So, and it's supported by Windows Millennium, 2000 XP, Vista, Mac OS 9 or higher. So this should be supports IBM micro drive card, Sony micro drive card, memory stick duo, reduced MMC, multimedia Pro Plus card, smart media card, XD picture card, secure digital card, compact flash, micro drive, and I suppose a little bit more, but it's no use because nobody's going to use the other ones. So this was the unboxing for the Modecom CR combo, if I didn't mention the actual name. So thank you very much.